technology and science, it's international, it's in the heart of Europe, and it's a unique hands-on experience. It's a challenging technical program in a colorful embedding. It's like traveling the world with a handbook on signal and image processing. Solid theoretical foundations in artificial intelligence, in signal and in image processing. And those are complemented by hands-on experience in our labs. A set of elective courses ranging from areas such as medical image processing or natural language processing, various AI-related topics, and things like computational geometry. And beyond that, you are able to choose among a set of 3 elective courses offered by both universities. Because the skills perfectly fit the needs of the companies trying to take advantage of the possibilities of digital transformation. Besides, both universities have an excellent scientific partner network. Because we offer a range of PhD positions in the areas of the elective courses every year. You will benefit from the international setting of Salzburg, its beautiful landscape, and sporting and cultural activities that you can be part of. Your first step into a professional future and successful career in the world of interacting and intelligent applications.